Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to do the front post double crochet stitch. So I have a row already here with double crochets. If you need to see how to do double crochet stitch, there is a link in the description below, but I needed something to work around the posts of for our front post double crochet tutorial. So let's go ahead and move on just with that stitch. I'm going to chain 2 and turn my work just to begin my row here. So you'll see the first stitch in our row, the first post, it belongs with our chain 2 that we've got. So we're going to go into this next one here. You're going to yarn over your hook, push your hook between those first 2 posts, and bring it around behind the post and out the other side. So it's like you're literally pulling the post to the front of your work. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Okay, so let's do it again. We're going to, and you can see the stitch behind. We're not working in the stitch, we're only working around the post. So yarn over your hook, push your hook around behind the post and out the other side. Okay, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. And we'll just go ahead and get some practice in, going all the way down our row. The front post double crochet is it's a really nice stitch for a number of reasons. It does have a lot of stretch to it. And kind of bounces right back, which I like. And it's a thick, warm stitch for some of those cold weather accessories. But I also love that it creates a beautiful ribbing effect, a really defined, beautiful ribbing effect. You'll see that after we finish this row. So just keep on going on with your front post double crochets, yarn over, bring that post to the front, yarn over, pull up your loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. And we'll just go ahead. I'm just going to continue on right down the row because I want to show you how to end the row. That was something I really struggled with when I first learned this stitch. Okay. Now, the way that I like to end my row with a front post double crochet stitch to keep a straight edge, I like to just work a regular double crochet. So yarn over, push your hook through the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. I have seen also where you can go right around that post. I'm going to show you. Maybe you could find yourself better at doing this, but let's go ahead and work around that last post of the row. And I'll show you why, for me personally, it's not my particular favorite way of doing it because it does this like kind of a bendy thing out and it's just not as straight of an edge as I would like. So I guess how you end your row would really be on preference, but I like to end my row just by working a regular double crochet into my last stitch of the row. Sometimes you'll find that you're working it into the top of a chain 2, because how you start your row. I know that gets a little confusing. That just depends on your project and what you're working on and your preference, but I wanted to show that because that was something I struggled with. Here's the stretch I'm talking about. Let's chain 2 and turn our work. And there's that ribbing effect that I was just talking about. It's really pretty. I love it. One side is flat. Depending on your project, this could be a stitch that you really love and it's pretty versatile. You could really play with it a lot. So let's go ahead and do another row of front post double crochets. All right. If you wanted to see more stitch tutorials, you can check out the link in the description below. I have included a direct link to my playlist that focuses just on particular crochet stitches. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you get notified when I post new videos. I have a number of new stitch tutorials that I'm planning on posting. Depends when you're seeing this one. Maybe they're already there. All right. And so I really hope that this video has helped you learn a new stitch. And I've also included a link in the description below to share some patterns with you that I have that use the front post double crochet stitch. It's one of my personal favorites, like I said, especially for the cold weather accessories. It is really thick and warm. And there you go. You see that texture on both sides, the ribbing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.